Welcome. If you want to receive notifications from people you don't follow on X, formerly known as Twitter, using your PC, there's a new update that makes this possible with just a few clicks. Whether you're a creator, a business, or someone who wants to stay connected with a wider audience, these steps will help you never miss important interactions from users outside your follower list. Start by opening X in your preferred web browser and make sure you're logged into your account. On the left side of the screen, look for the More icon and click it. This will open a menu with several options. From here, select Settings. Inside the Settings menu, choose Privacy and Safety. This section lets you control who can interact with you and what kind of notifications you receive. Next, click on Mute and Block. This is where you can manage muted words, accounts, and notification filters to fine-tune your experience. Within the Mute and Block section, find and click on Muted Notifications. Here, you'll see several options that determine which notifications are filtered out of your timeline and alerts. Look for the checkbox labeled Don't Follow You. If this box is checked, it means notifications from people who don't follow you are currently muted. To start receiving notifications from anyone, simply uncheck this box. This change will immediately allow notifications from all users, regardless of whether you follow them or not. That's it. By following these steps, you ensure that you won't miss out on messages, mentions, or interactions from users outside your follower list. This is especially useful if you want to expand your reach or stay updated on conversations happening across the platform. Remember, you can always return to these settings and adjust your preferences at any time. Staying in control of your notifications helps you create the X experience that works best for you. Thanks for watching and enjoy your more connected X experience.